ocean is this city light. Cruel it is, it clouds my eyes. The dark shades on my day. I live inside this place. Locked up inside my metal cage. Always tense and filled with rage. Above the concrete feels below. With you I wanna go. I see only what I wanna see. I'll be only what I wanna be. Yeah. I can't come
when I was born, caught and breaking on the line. Traded in Milano for me and Nairo. Used to stand around, so was I beside my gyro. But now my intermediate is the best way that I know. And the least that go home, see the music I consume to escape the human room. All the beats and melodies that keep realities at bay. Or whatever when the record gonna start to fade away.
alone within myself. I try to veil away my pain. The rain surrounding me round, and now I hear
I feel like Melly Mel from way back in the days, as I wonder how I keep from going under. I got trouble on my mind like my name was Chuck D, and like Marvin Gaye, it makes me wanna oh, when the music hits me, I feel no pain. That's why I gotta put you on the game. And again, I take the needle off the techniques in order in my vein. All my troubles get crushed as the rushes my brain in the way.
see only what I want to see. I'll be only who I want to be.